Hello, so today I'm going to try the butterfly trend that's going around. I'm going to be using this new palette that I got. It is the mini Bad Side Zodiac the Air palette by Milk Cosmetics. I really like it. The look of it anyways. I'm about to try it for the first time. So it is purple and silver butterfly that we're going to use. So I'm thinking I'll probably do some like mainly purple, maybe a little bit of pink. So let's go in with some eyeshadow, and if you want to see how I did my base, I will link the video down in the description below. That way you can see. And then I'm just finding my brush. Awesome. So for my eyelid, I think we are going to do, Reckless, the light part. I'm gonna go on with my finger because I know I want it to be bold. Oh my gosh, that is very, very beautiful. Has like almost like a purple undertone to it where I'm sitting. Let's get the other side. I really like that. Awesome. So today the look's definitely going to be more dramatic. I'm definitely going for like full glam. So that's exciting. And then next we're going to use Cosmosa. This one right here. This beautiful purple. Never heard that word before, but it is very interesting. So let's just get right in there with it. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Really goes on nice. All right, let's try and match it the other side. Lovely. And this side can be a little bit harder, but what I'll just do is take my finger and fix it up. That way they match a bit better. There we go. And I'm also going to blend that out and fix it up. Bring that in. We're going to bring this in. I really like that. So put a little dark on the underneath. Lovely. Let's blend it a bit. I love the pigment on this palette. It is just gorgeous. My first time using it. I really, really like it. So next, I really want to try this Too Faced color. It is really beautiful. I think it's going to look really nice. So I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm really debating like doing like a full circle here. Kind of to honor the way a butterfly wing would work. look. So let's see what I can do. Nervous, but we shall see. Doing a circle can be very difficult, but we shall see. Well, I mean, pretty close. Close enough. Not a circle, a blob. And let's do this side. Kind of like a spot. They at least matching. Okay. I do really like it. You can see that. All right. Let's take the flaky, that beautiful, beautiful purple, and let's work that in. So we'll take this brush. Just kind of run it along my eyelid. Oh, I really love the way this stuff applies. It is just gorgeous. Lovely. So I really like the way that that looks. I am going to apply the butterfly stickers now. I'm really excited. So I'm just taking them off. All right. Close. All right, I like that. That is really, really pretty. Let's try and tuck that down. Let's go for the other side. That is just so gorgeous. My husband saw these and he said you should definitely try that. That is cool. And I was like, you are so right. All right, let's try and match it. Awesome. Lovely. And let's just press her down. That is just gorgeous. I legit feel pretty fairy-esque. That is really cool. Now I'm going to put on some mascara, so excuse me while I do that. And I'm back. I used my One Size Fantasize mascara, and I love it. It gives me lots of volume. Last but not least, I'm going to do my lips for this look. So since my eyes are so bold, I'm going to probably tone it down on the lips just a little. Dot that on. Lovely. So I'm going to use my new lip liner. I really like it. Just go on my lips. I got the vintage rose color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. Now, I'm going to go over it with my Huda Beauty matte lip. That way it will stay all day. Lovely. I like the way that that finishes off the look quite a bit. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Suggest what you'd like to see next.